Hey guys, welcome back, and this is Nespresso Vertuo won't start. So guys, I made this table over here with multiple fixes that you could try. So just simply follow along. So first one is just simply check the power supply. So guys, make sure the machine is securely plugged into a functioning power outlet, and make sure to inspect the power cord for any damages. And also test the outlet by plugging in another device so you would know if the outlet is the problem or the machine. And now another one is just simply examine the water tank. So guys, just simply make sure that the water tank is filled with fresh water and it is securely positioned. And guys, just simply inspect for blockages at the water tank connection point and clean it if necessary so you won't have any issue on the machine. And another one is just simply inspect the machine head and capsule area. So just simply open and firmly close the machine head and make sure that it is properly locked in, because sometimes this is the issue why it won't start. And just simply remove any leftover capsules or debris from the capsule compartment as well. Another one that you could try is just simply reset the machine by just simply unplugging it and wait for 10 minutes, and from there just simply plug it back in to reset the internal electronics. And another one is just simply check for overheating. So guys, make sure to allow the machine to cool off for at least 20 minutes if it is being used excessively, so you can avoid operation shutdown due to the overheating. And another one is just simply inspect for indicator lights. So guys, just simply observe any blinking or steady lights on the machine, and just simply refer to the user manual for interpretations of these error signals. So in your user manual, you should be able to see there a guide on what is the meaning of each blinking light. And another one, just simply consult the user manual. So guys, make sure to check your user manual for troubleshooting steps and insight specifics on your Nespresso machine. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue why it won't start. And now if any of the issue doesn't work, guys, just simply go ahead and contact the Nespresso customer support for professional assistance. And guys, I have here some preventive measures so you could prevent any issue of this happening. So make sure to regularly clean and descale the machine so you could avoid future operational issue. So guys, descale every 3 months, and if you are using it frequently, descale it around every 2 months. And now, another one is just simply store the machine properly and make sure that it is clean and dry before storing it for a long-term storage. And there you go. See ya.